everybody. It is a very cold January. So we had a big cold front come in and it has been very cold since. We were very lucky in December, had a very mild December, and it was actually like warm on Christmas. It was weird. But now it's definitely making up for it. So it's very cold out here today. But I just wanted to shoot a quick video just to announce our winner for the December Smart Pots giveaway. So if you remember, we had a giveaway going for last month for a Smart Pots Mini, one of the round raised beds, and the winner is somebody who had been commenting on our YouTube posts, and I hope you can hear me okay because it is very windy out here too. So the winner is Deborah Adams. I will post the name up here just in case you can't hear me that well. It is Deborah Adams. Congratulations. So all you need to do, Deborah, is email us at info@seedtospoon.net and send us your address where you would like the Smart Pot shipped to, and we will ship it to you. I hope that you enjoy it as much as we love ours, and send us updates. Let us know how it's going. And don't worry if you were not selected this time. I will be announcing another giveaway here shortly for the month of January. So be watching for that and enter for your chance to win in January. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope everybody's staying warm out there. We'll see you guys next time.